Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can add a second or secondary email address to your account on Smartsheet in addition to your primary email address. So let us dive into this. Head over to your account on Smartsheet and click into your profile icon in the bottom left, and from here click into personal settings, and here guys in your profile section to the left click into manage email addresses, and here you will see a list of all email addresses that are associated with your account. So you may add a second one by clicking into this field here, add an email address, enter it here, confirm by clicking into this button to the right, add email address, and after that the given address will appear in that list so that you may, for example, make it a primary address, for example, choose primary email address, for instance, and that's basically it. Remember that notifications and emails sent to you by Smartsheet will be sent to your primary address. And that's basically it, guys. Don't forget to click into save here. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we catch you later.